Let's open up this box of Gibson homewares. Apparently it's another box. Okay, let's open up the second box now. Okay, and that opened up into 4 more boxes we need to open to get the stuff out. This one has a couple cups. This one has 2 more cups. This one has the bowls. And this one has the plates. So while that packaging didn't amount to nothing, you can see that all of the plates and bowls and cups came in really nice condition, nothing broken, really appreciate that. It feels like a nice heavy duty glass. And on the back and bottom of all of them, it says that they're dishwasher, microwave, and oven safe. The cups have nice handles that you can fit 3 fingers through, and while these are heavy duty feeling cups, they're not super heavy, so that's nice for the hand. The plates definitely feel pretty heavy, but that's nice. And I like the shape of them too, kind of a rounded square going on here. The bowls stack up nicely. Same thing for the plates. And I just noticed that even the cups have an interesting shape to them. They're definitely round, but they have kind of these squared trim to them too. It makes it for a nice, interesting feel on these cups. So if you're looking for a set of 4 bowls, cups, and plates, these could be the ones for you. They're definitely the ones for me. And I love how they fit so nicely into my small cupboard up here.